Hey everyone, if you are trying to add your Arriva Bus Pass to your Apple Wallet, then this video is going to show you what actually works in 2026. Now, first of all, here is one important thing that you need to understand. Not all the Arriva tickets support Apple Wallet directly. Most of the Arriva tickets are mobile tickets inside the Arriva application and not the wallet passes. So if you don't see this type of button that says add to Apple Wallet, it simply means that your ticket type does not support it. But don't worry, this is very normal as of 2026. So I'm going to show you some of the workarounds as well. So in order to use the Arriva application, you just have to simply download the Arriva Bus app. After that, when you go to the section of buy ticket, you are going to see your ticket. So you need to simply look for the option of activate ticket, and this way your ticket will appear inside the application with a QR code. When boarding, you just have to simply show this QR code to the driver in order to scan it. Now, some of the regions or the ticket types may support the wallet option. So when you open the ticket, when you are on the activation page, you just have to look for this particular button that says add to Apple Wallet. If you see this particular option, you just have to simply click on it, then follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully add your ticket to your Apple Wallet. Now, even without the wallet passes, you can still use Apple Wallet for travel. For that, you just have to simply open the wallet application. Afterwards, you just have to select your card, then look for the card details. After that, simply look for the option of Express Travel Mode and enable it. Then just tap your phone on the bus reader to pay. Arriva supports the contactless Apple Pay, so this is going to work on most of the buses. If wallet is not supported, you can just keep a backup ready. You can just simply take a screenshot of your ticket, or you can keep the app open when you are boarding. So this is going to help you avoid any kind of delays if the app loads slowly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.